Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a translator app in Thunkable. We'll start by setting up your project. First, open Thunkable and create a new blank project. Give your project a clear name, like Easy Translator. This initial step is crucial for organizing your work. You'll find the interface very user-friendly, allowing for quick setup. This entire process should take less than 10 minutes to get the basic functionality working. Next, let's design the user interface. Drag a text input component onto your screen for users to type their text. Below that, add a label component. This will show the translated output. Then, place a button component, perhaps labeled Translate, to initiate the process. For language selection, incorporate two list viewers or drop-downs, one for the source language and one for the target language. This layout provides a clear and functional design. Now for the core logic. Go to the blocks editor. From the components panel, drag out the translator component and add it to your screen. When the translate button is clicked, use the translator component's translate block. Connect the text from your text input and the selected source and target languages. Finally, set the label component's text to the result of this translation block. This connects your UI to the powerful translation service. Finally, it's time to test your new translator app. Run the app on your device or in the live preview. Type different phrases and try various language combinations to ensure it works as expected. If you want to enhance it further, you could add more language choices or even integrate a text-to-speech component so the app can speak the translation aloud. This easy method allows for quick iteration and improvement, making your app even more useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.